How to create a Exness account, right? So it's really easy. You have to go to the website. Let me show you from the start here. Go to Google, search for Exness. Click on this first link here. This is our official website. On the top right side corner, click on register. Now once you go and click on register, it will ask you to create an account. Here you have to select your country, then your email address, and then your password, and that's it. Now you will able to click on continue. Make sure you check on this if you're not from US. Right, then you will automatically your account will be get created. Now once you have created your account, this is how it's look, right? You can always install the application on your desktop if you want to. You can download the application on your phone, right? There are various way to do it. Now here you can see here complete profile. Now here you have to complete your profile. You have to confirm your email address. You have to enter your phone number and add profile information. So once you have do this, once you have added, you are ready to go. Right, so this is how you can just create an Exness account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.